treble. It's 1 it's past 2, they're racing. Gee, there's some speed early doors here. Dior's showing speed the inside. He's a con man. Johnny White eases out of that speed battle. And Dior's is going to go to the lead early doors. 5 metres on He's a Con Man. In third spot is Johnny White. And they were being followed up on the inside by Gerarda Got a Major. It's going to land 3 markers. Further back then to Vienna Boy, followed then by All Positive as they work into the home straight. Well back on the run now was Mortensen, overcharged. And about 7 or 8 metres away at the tail of the field is My Whiskey Lullaby. They pass the post now, and they've got 2 rounds left to go. The lead time pretty slick at 36.4, and the pilot going into the back straight is Dior's. It leads the way by 4 metres. He's a Con Man is second, and third posse parked at the moment is Johnny White, and they were followed on the inner by Gerarda Got a Major, Vienna Boys in the 1-1, and then came All Positive, followed by Mortensen. The inside is overcharged, and still last of all, a couple of metres away was My Whiskey Lullaby. They're coming off the back straight, 1,200 metres left to run. 29.5 was the first quarter of the last mile, and the leader here is Dior's. It leads the way by about 3 metres. Getting a little closer again is Johnny White, almost at its wheel. He's a Con Man's third, Vienna Boys fourth, and covered up the inside as Gerarda Got a Major. Then came Mortensen, followed then by All Positive. Overcharged is away from the inside, and still last of all, about 6 metres away, was My Whiskey Lullaby. That's the pattern as they work their way down the lane and head out of the straight. 29.7 for the second quarter, the half in 59.2, and it's Dior's. Jack Trainer, he's looking for 3 wins on the card. Leads the way by about 4 metres. In second spot, stalking is He's a Con Man. 2 metres away then to Johnny White. Gerarda Got a Major, Vienna Boy. Letting go from the back of the field now is Overcharged, putting in a burst, and the rest are headed by All Positive. But the leader still is Dior's. It leads the way by 5 metres. He's a Con Man's under pressure. Vienna Boy's cutting loose with a good run now. And then came Gerarda Got a Major, and that might nearly be your race, although Overcharged is also putting in a claim. Third quarter, 29.4. It's Dior's in front. Vienna Boy sets out after it from He's a Con Man, and then Overcharged as heads were turned for home. The leader is Dior's. Trying hard on the outer was Vienna Boy, and they've beaten off He's a Con Man, Overcharged, but it is still Dior's. Taking fairy-like footsteps, coming at it strongly as Vienna Boy, but Dior's grips on Dior's. Dior's has won it, has beaten Vienna Boy, Overcharged, Mortensen, and He's a Con Man. Then Gerarda Got a Major, All Positive. Further back, My Whiskey Lullaby. Last in was Johnny White. 30 the split, 157.5. Too good for them. I fancy Dior's. It's got it.